Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another video on how to add music in CapCut application. If you'd like to edit your videos and add some background music to your video and make it look more attractive, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To add a music in CapCut, tap open your CapCut application first and then tap on New Project at the top of the screen. Add a photo or a video to which you'd like to add a music. Once you do that, if you'd like to mute the original sound of the video, you can tap on Mute Clip Audio. Now once you do that, go to the audio button at the bottom of the screen right next to the Edit button. Select Sounds from the menu. You can now select an existing music category in the CutCap app. Select any one category and select the music that you'd like to add. To play the music, you can simply tap on one of the tracks and you'll be able to listen to the sound before adding them to your video or photo. Once you're sure you found the suitable sound that you'd like to add, tap on the plus button right next to it and you can simply drag the music from where you'd like the sound to start from. You can also cut out the parts that you don't want to use on the video by simply clicking on the split button. Remove the part that you'd like to delete by clicking on the track and tap on delete. Now you can simply adjust the track, and as you can see that you've added a music on your video or photo on CapCut. In order to save your change, go and click on the export button in the top right corner and start exporting your video in order to upload it somewhere or simply share it to one of your friends. That is how you can easily add music on CapCut to one of your photos or videos. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.